Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Lindsay. Thank you for joining in on today's video. So we are currently at the University of Iowa. This is where Morris did his undergrad. I'm here with Roman Morris. We're just kind of walking around. It's a nice fall day. We did get Molly's cupcakes, our favorite, so we're going to enjoy those and just kind of walk around. I just wanted to open up this vlog and get things started, so yeah.
We shoot together. Yeah.
And what?
Well, it was the second time taking it.
Oh, he had
was
failed.
doing it, yeah. He had failed it. He failed out. And I still ended up doing better than him the second time around. I had one in there too. I had a biology class in there.
We're heading back to our car. It's really chilly out. It's probably like 60 degrees, but there's wind and it's just too cold for our son. So we're heading back to the car. I'll probably eat one of the cupcakes in the car. But yeah, Morris is just telling me some stories about undergrad. She said we could go about undergrad and just memories. So that's just kind of an update. I'll link my outfit below, by the way. This is from Misguided, and then my top underneath and leggings I think are both from Amazon. So guys, okay, so we just got back a little bit ago. Roman just went down for his second nap. I need to drink water because I have been slacking today, but it's Saturday, so we're going to make a little dinner. I think we're gonna do steak on the grill, potatoes and veggies, just keep it really simple and healthy. And the kitchen is a mess right now, so I need to get that cleaned up. So I'm gonna work on that and just prep the potatoes, and then I think we're just gonna have a relaxing night. We were both like, we're so exhausted after that, and it wasn't even like we did that much. So I'm going to try to find a show. I just got done watching You season 3, and it was really good. I'm sad it's over. It was only 10 episodes, so I watched it pretty quick. So now I'm trying to find a new show to watch, but that's just kind of what we're doing. I changed into a cardigan, and you can't see, but I put on some joggers just to be comfortable. So I'm gonna get going on that, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so kitchen is looking much better. Morris helped me. He went ahead and wiped down all the counters and put stuff away, and then I did the dishes, so everything is nice and clean. We're gonna start cooking. So we're gonna do some baby golden potatoes. We got these at Target. And then some asparagus from Trader Joe's, and we got this steak from Trader Joe's as well. We actually tried steak from Trader Joe's for the first time, I think last week, and it was really good. So we're going to do that again. I did want to show you guys one thing too that we just bought. So it is this sprayable soap, and maybe you guys already know about this, but We just discovered it, and it's really cool because you can just spray it and it comes out foamy. So it's a little hack. It's really nice to have around the house. I think it's like $4 or $5. It's super convenient, so we did use that as well. But we're gonna get to cooking. I think I'm just going to cut up the potatoes and do just seasoning, keep it really basic. And then we literally just do salt and pepper on our steak, and then just salt and pepper on the asparagus. And I think that we're just going to keep it really basic. So, show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Potatoes are in there.
Steak has a lot of fat. It's gonna cook good.
It'll taste good too then.
Okay, I need those back.
Which ones? Wait, I haven't used that yet.
I'll give them right back.
Okay. No, Papa.
No,
Back up.
No.
Back up, sweetie. Please don't touch that.
No, Roman, come here. Come this way, Rose. Come on, let's go to you. Yeah, good boy. He forgets immediately.
I know. He's so easily
The
distracted
mind of
a baby.
Did you just say morning? You said morning?
What?
I think you just said morning.
Oh, whatever. He said mommy.
You said noise?
No, that wasn't mommy.
You said noise? He's about to say noise?
I've never even heard him be close to saying, like, dada. He never says, babe. He wouldn't even know to call you Morris because I never call you Morris. I always say babe. Baby is awake. He woke up from his nap a little bit ago. Hey, Papa, look. Look. Say hi to the vlog. Hey, he likes my necklace. Ow, no. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, big boy. I love you. Can you say hi?
Busy. We had travel like this, yeah? We put a lot of mileage on the car, but what happened? What's wrong? What did you do? You hurt yourself? No, look at yourself.
Okay, the potatoes still have a bit, babe. Not really. Hey, boo-boo. Hi. I love you. Ow. You hit my head. Oh my goodness.
He's going straight for that.
I know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you so much. Okay, come on, that's it. You're being gentle. Come in, gentle to me, one. Now be gentle, sweetie.
He's so fast, Mama! Oh my goodness! He's so fast! Come on! Come on, Pops! Come on!
Oh, he's stuck? Go around, Bubba, go around.
Come on! Oh shit, Mama! Come on, Pops! Come on, Pops!
You go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby.
Come on, Pops! Come get Dada! Holy smokes, Mama, is he fast?
What?
Holy smokes, is he fast?
He's steak bone?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking the steak off here.
Okay, our steak is done. It looks delicious. Again, I think we just put salt and pepper as a seasoning, but we're cutting into it. It looks so good. I like my steak bloody. I like it like rare, and I think Morris likes it medium, so we kind of meet in the middle and do a medium rare. Yeah, so we just kind of cut it in half, and we will serve it that way. We already just pre-cut it for ourselves. But yeah, and then the asparagus is done as well. I just did salt and pepper and a little bit of avocado oil in the pan, and I used this lid to kind of steam it. But it looks really good. It turned out good. And then we've got our plates here ready. We've got potatoes in the air fryer. They're kind of what we're waiting on. They're almost done. But I showed you guys the seasonings, and then we just did 400 degrees, I'd say, for about 20 to 30 minutes. We really like our air fryer, by the way. It's an air fryer. What else is it? An Instapot.
It does broil.
Broil.
You can do saute, dehydrate,
It
steam.
literally has everything in one. I'll try to find a link if I can for you guys and link it below, but it is the best air fryer ever. It makes everything delicious. So if you haven't hopped on the air fryer game, you need to. And I like this one because it does so many different things. So that was a tangent, but yeah, so we are going to serve everything up. All right, guys, so everything is done. We are about to go eat and probably find a movie. It looks delicious. But yeah, so we're gonna watch something and enjoy our dinner and just have some family time. So I will catch up with you guys in a little while. Just finished our steak and it was absolutely delicious. Now it is time for Roman to eat dinner. So these are little dairy-free smoothies by the brand Once Upon a Farm, and they are his absolute favorite. They have super clean, good ingredients, and this is like the only processed baby food that he actually will eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start feeding him. I actually got this little spoon. This bib, I think, comes with 2 bibs that has pockets if anything falls. It catches it, and then it comes with a couple other things as well. I might link it down below. It's from Amazon and we love it. But yeah, so gonna feed little guy really quick, and then I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, it is much later now. My son just went down for the night. We've just been watching a movie on Netflix and just relaxing. I'm gonna finish off this Saturday night with some self-care. So I'm going to be doing a treatment of Crest White Strips. I swear by these. These are the only things I use to whiten my teeth, and they are the only things that actually work for me. I do buy a treatment or like a box of them I would say every 6 months. I think they do claim to last a little longer, but I just like to do it every 6 months. That's just preference. I will link the specific one that I have down below. It comes with 20 treatments, but it also comes with 2 of the 1-hour expresses, which are really nice because if later on after your treatments kind of start wearing off, you want to do a 1-hour express for an event or, you know, whatever you've got going on, it's nice to just be able to pop one in and have significantly wetter teeth. So I'll link these below. I really highly recommend. And then I just got my self tanner in the mail. I just order it off Amazon. I cannot go without self-tanner. I can't stand seeing myself pale, which right now it's very close to me needing to do it. So it's Bondi Sands, and I do the ultra dark. I've tried Loving Tan and several other self-tanners, and I find that this self-tanner is actually the most olive skin tone, and it just gives a really dark, nice look. It actually comes, when you put it on, it actually goes on green, and that's what gives the olive undertone. I think a lot of people advertise Loving Tan to be like an olivey color, and I don't think it is. I would say it's more golden, and I do think there's a difference. So I think Loving Tan is really good, but this is my favorite, guys, and it's only like 25 bucks, I think. They do have an express one as well, where you can just, I think it's in a 1 hour express. I am doing the, let's see. Okay, wait, let's see. Okay, it says at least 6 hours, which I'm going to sleep in mine, and yeah, so I think that it's going to give me a really nice tan. I need it, so I'm really excited to use this. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop in one of these Crest White strips as well. But yeah. Okay, so I think that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining in on our Saturday evening. I had a lot of fun, and I feel like it was just a more relaxed, chill vlog where we could kind of open up and just hang out with you guys a little bit more. So thank you guys so much for joining in. If you want to keep up with my videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. I'll have my Instagram at the end of this video as well. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.